Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with admin privileges because Windows requires elevated rights to change core security. Once signed in, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Recovery. Make sure you select Reset this PC and review the two primary choices, Keep My Files or Remove Everything. You pick based on whether you need personal data preserved. Once done, click Get Started to begin the Reset wizard. This first step sets the reset type and prepares Windows to restore default security configurations. Now you decide between Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. Cloud fixes corrupted system files but uses bandwidth. Make sure to suspend BitLocker or save recovery keys if full drive encryption is active, because the reset may require them. If you chose Remove Everything, select Clean Data for a more secure wipe. Otherwise, pick Quick to save time. Once you confirm, Windows compiles a list of apps to remove and shows final warnings. Proceed only after confirming you've backed up critical keys and installers. When you confirm, Windows restarts and executes the reset. This can take from 20 minutes to several hours depending on options and hardware. Once the system is rebuilt, sign in and immediately check Windows security, virus protection, firewall status, and ransomware protection. Make sure Windows Update installs drivers and patches. If security settings didn't return to defaults or problems persist, run SFC and DISM to repair system files, or consider a clean install. Keep your BitLocker recovery key handy as a troubleshooting safeguard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.